How to log in on Aviator Game. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to log in on Aviator Game. Login on Aviator Game is quite easy, so without any delay, let's start the video. Open the Aviator Game. Locate and open the Aviator Game app on your mobile device. Find the login option. Once you are on the main screen, look for the login or sign in button. This could be in the top right corner or main screen or within a menu. Enter your login details. If you already have an account, enter your username or email and your password. Some app also allows you to log in using social media accounts like Google, Facebook or Apple. Complete the login. After entering your details, tap on the login button. If your information is correct, you will be logged in and can start using the app. Account recovery. If you don't remember your details, look for an option like forgot password to help you recover access your account. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.